Then your heart has to come into play, and that's snigdha. Where do you find a heart's connection, an affectionate connection? Where do you see the love? Because God is He's a God of love. Krishna is a God of love. We're worshiping the God of love, not the God of rules. Rama is a God of rules, and the God of power is Narayan. Narayan doesn't set up rules, but Ram sets up rules. Maryada Purushottam. And Narayan is the creator. He's a maintainer. So God, Krishna, is a God of love. So we're worshipping the God of love, so love must be part of the calculation in choosing his representative. Whatever you understand to be love. And that's your own intangible feeling. So everywhere they have mind over matter. There's mind over matter. Mind is more powerful than material energy. But then heart over mind. Heart is more powerful than mind. Even if something doesn't make sense mentally, or what to speak of logically, intellectually, but heart's too strong, so you do it. King falls in love with some princess and he wants to kidnap her. And all his ministers advise him, this is not a good idea. Our kingdom, we have so many soldiers, and our kingdom is so big, and our resources are so much, but you're trying to steal this princess, and that'll put us in war with that kingdom. And he has so many more soldiers, and so many more successes in battle. And he's such a powerful kingdom, you're going to lose. You can't win. Why risk everything just because of your lust? Because of your heart's attachment to this princess. But the king, he says, oh, be quiet, shut up. Even though he gets good counsel and reasonable, logical explanation why he shouldn't attack, but his heart overrules his mind. So ultimately, bhakti is a condition of the heart. Where do you actually see bhakti? Where do you actually feel devotion, feel bhakti? Even you might find someone who doesn't know many verses, or he's not a big preacher, but he has a lot of bhakti. So what do you want? Do you want knowledge? Are we looking for gyan? Are we looking for knowledge? Or are we looking for love, bhakti, devotion? Whereas bhakti brings those things with it. That's right in the first canto. It says that if one serves Krishna, then automatically these other things come.